Hello everyone, it's your girl Destiny.
Pop in a, throw up the sex in a. And I can put you in.
Finding the right foundation and concealer for dry skin is hard, so I decided to come on here and help you all out by giving you my best foundation and products that I believe will work for dry, textured, and sensitive skin. But before we get started, this is the makeup look for today. Now if you want to see how I achieved this look, go on the last video that I posted. It came out before this one, and it will show you all the products that I used to achieve this look. And guess what, y'all, it is drugstore. So yeah, helping your girls out. But anyways, we're gonna get right into this video, and we're gonna start off with the foundations. I have so many foundations, y'all. It's like 7 or so that I'm gonna talk to you all about. So let's go ahead and get into it. First on the list, y'all, it will be Smashbox. It is their always on foundation. It is a skin balancing plus a hyaluronic acid, which is great for anybody who has dry skin because it keeps the skin moisturized and everything. And this product is really just that girl. Now it do retail for like $49 or $50, and I have mine in the shade D10 if you want to reference me. But yeah, I love this product. I got the wrong undertone, so I have to find out what I can apply with it to balance it out. I'm thinking about that blue pigment from Ulta or whatever, but that's another subject. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. It does come with a pump. It is 1 fluid ounce, of course, and it is a nice size bottle. Now the bottle is glass, and I love everything about this product, y'all. Like the skin was looking amazing. It was looking good. I have nothing bad to really say, but always pay attention to the undertones because trust me, I was just like, you know, putting them on my hand and like going with one that looks close, and I really did not do an actual shade match. So if you like this brand, if you love Smashbox, go ahead and give their product a try, y'all, because it is not something that is disappointing at all. The next product we have is an OG, and I mean an OG product, y'all, and I'm pretty sure y'all probably already know what I'm talking about, but it is the MAC Studio Fix. Now this foundation, it's been in my bag since I've started wearing makeup, y'all. I have 2 shades. I have NC45 and an NW47. Now don't ask me what my shade is because these are old. Like I've had these for years, never really changed them out, so these are the wrong shades, and my makeup been looking orange when I used them before I decided to buy something else. So do not have my right shade in it. However, this is a staple. I love this product. Now MAC been killing the game when it comes to anything, but as far as dry skin, if you have the right skin prep, this will work for you. It is not drying, it is not mattifying, it is not anything, y'all. It is really just a regular foundation, and it has its perks or whatever. Now they did come out with a serum version that I never tried, but I would love to actually, but right now I'm just sticking with this one. I haven't tried anything else, so maybe one day I will once I get through my other foundations because I have so many. The next product I want to talk about is not really a foundation, however it is great especially for the summertime, and it is the Milani Glow. Now I love this product. It is very lightweight on the face. It blends beautifully. It looks like your skin but better, and I just been using this product for years. Now I used this product during my pageant days, and y'all, the skin was looking good, honey. Like it was, you can tell me nothing. And this product, it says to have 29% squalane. I don't know what that is, to be honest with y'all. And then I also have electrolyte coconut water blend, and yeah, like it is amazing. I have mine in 410, and it is also hydrating, of course, so that is a plus with this. But yeah, so if you do not want to wear foundation but you want to get that foundation look because your skin is like not balanced like mine, I have like 5 different shades, this product will be perfect for you because it's lightweight, it is blendable, it is beautiful, and it looks like your skin but better. The next product, y'all, is one that I just recently bought and I've been in love with, and it is the Haus Lab Triclone foundation. Now this is amazing. I love this foundation. It is like $45 if I'm not mistaken, but it is worth the money. I got mine in shade 500, and it's not really my shade, but once I go in and contour, conceal, and everything, it looks brighter than what it is. So this does look amazing on the skin. It blends beautifully. It looks like your face but better. Once again, it is not thick, it is not caking, and it's amazing because it's not a hydrating foundation. However, it is luminous to the skin. Now it says to have some skincare in here, and it says to help the skin the more you wear it, and also have a longevity wear. So if you're one of them girls that, you know, wear it like work in the morning, going out, you have 2 jobs, you want to wear your makeup all day or so, this product is great. It is long lasting. It does not really rub off as bad as long as you know what you're doing. And but yeah, this is something that I love. Next product we're gonna talk about that y'all probably gonna be a little bit iffy about, but I'm not gonna lie, I was too when I first tried it, and that is the Juvias Place Velvet Matte Foundation. Now this is a full coverage foundation, y'all, and I say full coverage. Now this product would be great for the summertime, in my opinion, because it is velvety matte and we have dry skin. Now if you do your skin prep correctly, this product is not gonna do you any damage. It's not gonna dry out your skin. When I tell you I've used this product for about 2 or 3 years, y'all, and it's empty. Like, look at this bottle. Like, it's probably like right here, but I stopped wearing it because I found other products that I love. But this product is great. Now, like I said, if you prep your skin correctly, you will get the most out of this product. Don't let the velvet matte scare you. I promise you it's not gonna make that much of a difference because you're putting on everything else. But if you feel like it's gonna be too mattifying for your face, please go in with a either continuous setting spray, a hydrating setting spray. There are so many out there, y'all. Or use a hydrating primer. Like, there are many ways to finesse using this product, but I love it. It goes on the skin beautifully. It is full coverage, like very full coverage. So if you're not a full coverage girl, this product is not for you. But if you love full coverage, this product is for you. So don't think that you're going to be able to get away with trying to be like a natural or a skin within or glow within product. This is not that. So don't think it is. And it does retail for like $20, I think. So it's kind of still good. It is still related to drugstore, but it is an amazing product. The next product we're going to talk about, and I actually have it on my skin today, it will be the Morphe Hydrating Extended Foundation. It is their Lifelong Foundation. Now this probably was the second best release of the year when it comes to foundation. Of course, for me, the first would be the Haus, even though I don't think it came out this year. Scratch that. This did not come out this year, but for this year, this right here is the best. Now I have not tried the Fenty, and I want to, y'all, but I spent $50 and then $20. I need to use these first, unless they're gonna send it to me, which I hope they do. I can't really afford that right now. Maybe in the future, who knows? You never know what happens, but this product is the best for me that I've tried, that I've loved, and I am not taking it back. Like I said, I do have it on the face. It does look amazing. It blended amazing. It is hydrating, of course, but it's not mattifying or anything. And when I went it on the skin, it looked like it was glowing, like my cheek and everything, before I put like a little bit of highlight on. It was glowing. So I did have to put some powder to mattify it down a little bit more than what I would like to, but that just shows how the product is actually hydrating and not just saying that it's hydrating. But I really, really do love this. This is a steal. It is $20, y'all. You cannot beat this. So this right here is that product. It is that girl. I love it. The more you wear it, the more your skin's supposed to get better, is what the product says. I have no idea if that's true or not, so I'm not gonna say that it is, but all I know is that my skin and the way this product looks on me is amazing. Like, yeah, definitely that girl. Last foundation that I love, but it's not the least, y'all, that y'all probably already know because it's one of those OGs once again, and it is the Nars foundation right here, y'all. This is their Natural Radiant, and I've used this product for a long time. Like, if you could tell, it's like been used. It's probably like right here when it comes to product or so, but I love this foundation. Now, I found out after buying a lot of these foundations that I am not a warm undertone girl. My skin be playing tricks on me, but that is okay. But using this product, I really, really do love. It looks amazing on the skin. It looks like from skin within, especially if you have your correct shade reference. I have New Caledonia, maybe because it's older that the color is trying to change a little bit or so, but I love it. It is amazing. I have no regrets about it. It is on like the $40–50 side once again because it is not a drugstore product. However, it is worth all the money that it comes with. I would definitely recommend giving this a try if you have the extra money, especially if you don't want to try like Haus or anything. This product would be the next best in my opinion. Next, we're gonna move on to concealers, y'all. And when I tell y'all I have so many, I literally have so many. So let's go ahead and get into which ones I'm loving at the moment. We're going to start off strong and talk about one of the OG's products once again, y'all, and it is MAC. Now this concealer from MAC is amazing. It is their Pro Longwear Concealer, and it is also supposed to be hydrating, and it's supposed to help the skin look amazing and be crease free. Now this product, yeah, like, whew, like this bottle is little, y'all, but guess what? It comes with a pump, which is something I do love. I love this product to the T. I'm gonna start back using it because I never realized how much I loved it until like I put it back on. I'm like, this product got me through some days. MAC in general got me through some days, but I love this concealer. I don't know if this was like a revamp or whatever, but I did buy this last year and I've been in love with it. I don't know what concealer they had before then, so if you do not have this one in exact, you got the wrong concealer from MAC. The next concealer that I love, y'all, is the Juvias Place one. Now this one, I have it for a contour, and I love this product. First of all, it comes with a big dofa that you will love. Like, look how huge that is. That is huge. I don't have a big face, so I have to be careful with it, but I love this product. This one's in the shade 3, and it is amazing. It is more so on the cool side, which is not bad, especially if I want to do like a cool makeup look or so. This product is amazing. Now if you want a bronzy one, they have bronzy ones, but if you want more so like a cool concealer to like balance out the warm under eyes, this product would be definitely for you. I use this in my Uchi Natori makeup tutorial, and I was in love with this product, y'all. So if you want to spend some money on a good drugstore concealer, especially for contour wise, this brand Juvia's Place really has it when it comes to different shades for bronzing and everything of that nature. Now the next concealer is one of my current faves, y'all. When I tell you I love this concealer, I really do love it, and it is the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Concealer. Like I said, y'all, I wish I would have gotten the foundation and paired the two together to see how the skin is, but I didn't know that was coming out with it. That's my fault, but I really do love this concealer. Like I said, it is hydrating. It is supposed to be a long wear concealer and a corrector at the same time. I have mine at 44W, so it's more so a warm, but this looks amazing up under the skin. It is beautiful. If you leave it on for like a little bit longer, because it's a hydrating one, the coverage is amazing, and it doesn't do any burning, anything for sensitive skin. But yeah, this coverage, the colors, the shade range, everything about it, it doesn't crease, y'all. This product is amazing. Another product that do not crease, and it is an OG, y'all, would be the Nars Creamy Concealer. Now this been in my bag since forever, y'all. Like, I love this product. Like this dofa, how creamy it is, and not as hydrating as the Fenty one. However, it still has that creaminess to where it blends out beautifully on the skin. It's a little bit on the thicker side, so if you do not like thicker concealers, then this one is not for you. But if you love it, you love the coverage, and you also like it for brightening, they have an amazing shade range when it comes to any type of concealer. I even used to have the dark one for a contour, and I just never went back to it, but I do love it when it comes to like under eye concealer, because it is amazing. Now this product, like I said, it's an OG, y'all, but it is worth it. I promise you, you will fall in love with this product all over again, because Nars always know what they're doing. The next concealer that I did not expect to love, but I do, would be the Morphe concealer. Now this bad boy, this is amazing. Now this thing, creasing, wear, under eye, like dark circles, wear. Like, this product is really amazing, and it is considered drug style. It is affordable, it is cheap. Now Morphe has been stepping up their game lately, so when I got this product, I really wanted to try something new other than what other product did I have in replace of this? I don't know, but I just wanted to try something new, so I went with this one. And y'all, this changed my life. When I tell you this product is amazing. Now if you have sensitive skin, this product will not work for you, and if it don't, I'm gonna have to tell y'all I'm sorry. You might have to just go up with like Fenty or so, because it kind of is like Fenty, but more so a thicker consistency, because it's not considered hydrating, so you do not have to wait to blend it in. Just go in and blend it in. But this product is amazing, y'all, and it is worth all the money that it gets. Like I said, if you have sensitive skin, it's gonna burn a little bit for like the first few seconds or so, but other than that, it is amazing. Now this next product, I don't know why I bought it, but I did, and I loved it, which is weird because I've never used anything else from them, and it is the Lancome Tint Idole Concealer. Now this, y'all, maybe Zendaya picked a good brand to like represent, because their product is actually amazing. I haven't had anything bad about it, haven't heard anything bad about it, but I love it. Now it is on the higher side, I know, I'm sorry y'all, but if you have a little bit of extra money, if you don't like any of the other products that I suggested, maybe try out this one from Lancome. Like I said, it is worth the money. It is hydrating, it is thick, it is consistency is amazing. Like, this product does no wrong in my eyes, and it is a very old product that I've had for years, and I just really stopped using it simply because it was getting old, and I just wanted to try something new, of course, because I saw a lot of the new things coming out. But I will always go back and get this one when I want like a quick little beat, or if I want to go and dip into my old makeup to go ahead and use it up. But this product, yeah, definitely worth the money. Really, all of these products are worth the money. I don't know why I keep saying that after each product, y'all, but again. Now another product that I bought during the Sephora sale that I saw on TikTok, 25 is this Hourglass concealer. And y'all, for dry skin, Yes, ma'am. Now some people talking about it is creasing, it like looks terrible on their skin. I've never experienced that. A lot of girls that I watch who says it is great on their skin also has dry skin just like me, so that's why I gave this a try. And y'all, worth the money. Everything about it, the consistency, how it is. I'm surprised they have not came out with more shades yet, because you can't have a product that's good and limit the shades. So I only could get it as a brightening shade, so I'm hoping they come out with some deeper ones so I can get it like as like, you know, like closer to my skin tone. But this product, that's all I'm gonna say, y'all. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next one. Next, y'all, we're gonna talk about a product that came out years ago, especially with Alyssa Ashley. She came out with, I ain't say she came out with this line, but she was a part of it. And of course, that is NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. Now this is amazing. Now their foundation is a little bit of matte or so, but this is not too matte for me. Now I really do love it. I love the consistency, I love the coverage it comes. It is a full coverage concealer, which is amazing, and I use it obviously as my contour. It has a small doe-foot and I loved everything about it. As y'all can see, I have a little bit of product left in here, so I might get back into it, but this product is amazing and it is very, very cheap. I don't know if they still have it. I think they do, but I know they still have the foundation, so they might still have this concealer. But if they don't, y'all, I promise y'all gotta find it. But it is an amazing concealer and I do love everything about it, especially like I said, when it comes to contouring, like you get all up in there. It do not be too tight or anything of that nature. And the last product, y'all, but not the least, it will be from L'Oreal. It is their True Match Concealer. Now this product is amazing. Now when I first bought it, I was gonna get one that was closer to my skin tone, but then I realized it was kind of hard finding it for my skin tone, mainly because I was at Walmart at the time when it first came out. I did not go to Ulta because Ulta did not have it yet, but I got it from Walmart and I got the shade C7 and I love this product, y'all. Like I used this today up under my under eyes. You really can't tell because I did not use too much of it. I just mainly put some in the inner part just so it can look a little bit of brightening, but I love this product. I love it. It is cheap. It is like what, $12–13. It is an amazing product. They have more shades according to Ulta, so you might can find it in your contour shade, but I didn't bother. I just got this one. And yeah, now the doe-foot is huge. It is like a little triangle, like it is something about it, and it really gets like all up in the crevices. Like this product is definitely worth it. And it's a radiant serum concealer. It's supposed to have coffee in it, electrolytes. Yeah, it's just something about this. And it also has hyaluronic acid in it, which is what I love because of course I have dry skin. So yeah, this product is definitely amazing. All right, y'all, and that is it for today's video. Now I know I done said everything is amazing, you should try it, but y'all, I really meant it, especially if you have dry skin. Now none of these products are in order from best to worst or worst to best. I just simply went in random order to figure out the ones that I like wanted to like talk about next. But yeah, I really do love these products and you should definitely give these a try. Now I have some affordable drugstore ones in there, then I have some prestige ones, so you know you have an option between decide whether you want to spend your extra money on foundation or concealer. But it is definitely worth trying and buying, especially for the summertime, especially if you have dry skin. Now if there are other videos you want me to do, like as far as like cream, powders, blushes, anything, if you want to know what I use for dry skin for that, let me know in the comments, y'all. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know if I should try some new products that just came out, because I know there's more coming. But let me know what you all think about this video as well. Now I'm not gonna hold y'all, we are almost at 1K subscribers. We are over halfway there, so help your girl out by getting me closer to that goal, because I really do love y'all. And yeah, so that will be it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.